served out my detention, and in the end I got an honorable mention in a movie of my life, starring you instead of me. When the moonlight hits your bright eyes, I go blind. Maybe next time I'll remember not to tell you something stupid like I'll never leave your side. Like the oldest movie I ever saw was the one we wrote together. Said I hate you but I never change a thing. I can be your John Cusack.